Hi everyone, Father Andrew here. Going to introduce you new missionaries for the 2018-2019 school year. Here's Arianne Dennison.
I am Arianne Dennison, recently just got married in March. I'm from Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I went to the University of South Dakota, go Yotes! But I honestly am very excited to be coming to South Dakota State University and serve the Jackrabbits. Even though I'll always bleed red, I am excited to cheer on another South Dakota school for a year, and I'm willing to do so. My husband is Arianne Dennison, the biggest Jackrabbit fan you'll ever meet, so I think he balances us out pretty well. He did his undergrad at SDSU and just recently graduated from law school at USD. If I could have any skill or talent of a specific person, I'd have to say Adele, because I think she has an incredible voice. I love listening to her music, jamming out to it, or slow music, and I just think it's incredible how when she sings, she can move you, and I feel like it's very uplifting music most of the time, and I would just love to have that talent. I feel like my favorite saint changes a lot, but currently it's Saint Joseph, Terror of Demons, because I've been thinking about the Holy Family a lot, and just how incredible the person of Saint Joseph is. We think about Mary a lot, we think about Jesus a lot, which is wonderful, but he was the protector of that family, the leader of the family, and I just think Saint Joseph, Terror of Demons has a very powerful and strong name to it, and a lot of times I think of him as very gentle and very humble, which I'm sure he was, but it's great to have like that powerful stance behind him as well. My favorite scripture passage right now is Psalm 19, starting with verse 7, and it says, "The law of the Lord is perfect, reviving the soul." And it really struck me, especially recently, because as you speak of the law of the Lord, a lot of times it just seems very strict or very just like, but the more I've learned about the law of the Lord, the more I've been able to follow it and see other people around me following it. You can see the soul really light up, and it's reviving the soul from any sin or anything that we've fallen into in the past. And it brings me a lot of consolation and determination to continue following the law of the Lord.
Do you have any special prayer requests of anything's happening in your life in the coming year that people could pray for you about?
A special prayer request from my husband Cass and I. We're expecting our first baby at the end of November, and so any and all prayers for a healthy pregnancy, healthy baby, our baby to become a saint one day, that'd be awesome. I am Arianne Dennison, and every saint has a past and every sinner has a future.